hip hop is very important in and you wonder how the people look. This is a head of hip hop, and you see how people now everyone taking a picture. This is a hippopotamus. So why is so significant? What is so important? You wanted to know a little bit.
Oh, to know, kwa kare tuninge. Ono beya. It's dangerous. Hippopotamus. Yeah, hippopotamus.
Are you going to eat it?
Oh, we can eat it. We're eating it.
We are eating it.
Everything. Mara this one, this one. This one.
But how special is the hippo now? So not everyone can eat hippo or special people.
Yeah? Everyone, but this one is the bandits.
Yeah.
The bandits bring problem. We want to take it by forcing.
Yeah.
As bring coming
Serious? So meaning you can't.
Freely, not by force.
Serious?
Yes,
How old is this one? How old is it?
How old is it?
Probably how old is it?
the nose.
Now how old it is?
How big is it? Maybe how many years?
That one
Still young.
still young.
Huh? Yeah, still younger.
If they big,
But the teeth, can you heal something or what? The teeth. After you cut it out, the teeth, what the teeth can work? Hey.
That one cannot cut it.
No, but is it for healing or for what? What?
That one,
some of the people they want to maybe only the teeth, only for teeth. This one,
Yeah.
another,
another one.
Yeah. Oh. It's not dead. Oh, it's still younger. Oh. Okay. Wow. Yeah.